Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Login Aid. In this guide video, I will show you how to find Clipboard on Android phone. So first of all, go anywhere which allows you to type. Once you do that, you can see over here the keyboard will be opened. Now what you have to do is in the keyboard, find the icon for Clipboard. It is located at the top row of the keyboard. If you do not find the icon for Clipboard over here, what you have to do is simply tap on this icon that you can see right over here on your screen. Now you'll be able to find several options over here. You'll be able to find the options like one-handed, text editing, clipboard, share Gboard, etc. Simply find the option for clipboard and tap on it. Now you can see over here, you'll be able to see the clipboard. Also, you'll be able to see the recently copied text over here. So like this, you'll be able to find the clipboard. So that is how you find clipboard on Android phone. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.